Let's see if you did everything correctly. Question number 1. Indicate if the plants shown in the figures below are wild or cultivated. What's the difference between cultivated and wild plants? Cultivated plants grow with the man's care, while wild plants grow without the man's care. Look at the first pic. We have some wild flowers. These flowers grow in the wild without the man's help, right? And we can tell that they are not arranged well, they are not taken care of by anyone. So the first pic shows a white plant. What about the strawberry plant? Cultivated plants, as I said before, are very useful to people. So we cultivate them. So the strawberry plant is a cultivated plant that provides people with some yummy fruits, the strawberries. Lettuce plants, let's see. We can see and we can tell that there's someone caring for these plants, right? The land is so clear, the plants are arranged very well. So these plants are cultivated plants. And the fourth pic shows a white plant, white flowers. No one is caring for these flowers, so these are white plants. The fifth pic show a flower that is very useful to man, but these flowers grow in the wild without our help. So these are wild plants. The last picture shows trees. The land is so clean. There is someone caring for this field and providing the plants with what they need. So the plants shown in the last figure are cultivated plants. Question number 2. Fill in the blank with the correct term. We have three terms: tree, shrub, and herb. With the three large definitions, I will read the definition and you will help me to find the answer. Okay? First one, a kind of bush and small to medium in size woody plants. So they are woody plants. They are a bit taller than herbs and their stems are not hard but thick. They could be distinguished by their multiple stems and shorter height. So they are woody plants. They are taller than herbs. They have many stems, and they are small to medium. So we're talking here about shrubs. Excellent. So the shrub is a kind of bush with a small to medium size. It is taller than herb with many woody stems. These stems aren't hard, but they are thick. So we finished with the shrub. I'm gonna cross it out. Second definition. They are woody plants with elongated stems. They have many branches supported from the ground by the trunks. So they have a trunk. They are very tall in height and tend to be long-lived. They are perennial. These plants serve us a lot of significant benefits in moderating the atmosphere by absorbing carbon dioxide, and they provide shade and shelter. So they are woody plants, they have a trunk, they are perennial. What do you think We're talking here about trees. Excellent. So we're talking about trees. Trees are perennial plants, woody plants with a trunk, and they are tall in height. Last one, and I know that you know the answer. We still have the herb, but I'm going to read the definition anyway. These are non-woody plants with green and tender stems. So herbs have green and tender stems. They are usually short in height. They have a variety of uses as providing medicines for diseases. They have aromatic properties that are usually used for delicious flavoring and garnishing food. They have perfumes and good tastes. So we're talking here about herbs that are non-woody plants with green stems. In question number 3, we have to observe the plants shown in the figures and then determine to give the answer and to justify it, to explain the answer. Are these plants classified as trees, shrubs, or herbs? First one, Daphne plants are poisonous. They are regarded as, take a look on the Daphne plants. Are they small in size, medium in size, or large in size? They have a medium size, right? So they are regarded as shrubs. Why is that? Because of due to their medium size, right? We can clearly see that they have a medium size. They are not as small as herbs, not as large as trees. Bamboos. Bamboos are tree-like in appearance, but why aren't they considered as trees? They are tall, they have a large size, but since they have green stems, they are considered as herbs, like the banana tree. Do you remember when we talked about the banana tree? We said that banana trees have a large size, but they are not considered as trees since they have green stems because of their green stem. Okay. The banyan plant belongs to the which group? It is large in size. The stem or the trunk isn't so clear, but we can tell that it has a trunk. So it belongs to the trees group since it has a thick, woody trunk. Or you can write since it has a very large size. Both are right. Both answers are correct. Dill is an annual what? Look at the dill plant. Is it a herb, shrub, or tree? Excellent, it's a herb. This is an annual herb. It is what in size? Is it small, medium, or large in size? Small. Good job. And how is the stem of the dill plant? Look at the stem. It has green stems, right? Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on earth. It's a name for over 1,400 species of giant grasses. Almost all species of bamboo have hollow stems. Bamboo rarely flowers. Some species only flower once and then die off. Pick out one characteristic of bamboo stems. What did they say about the stem of the bamboo plant? What did they say? They said that bamboos have hollow stems. they have a hollow stem. This means that they have unfilled space in something in the stem. So their stem from the inside, it's like there's a hole. So the bamboo stem is hollow. Indicate if bamboos are perennial. Are they perennial or no? Do they live for more than 2 years? In the text, for sure we can find all of the answers from the text. Some species of bamboo flower once. They make flower for one time and then die up. That means that they don't live for a long time. So they are not perennial. Okay? They are not perennial. They make flowers one time and then die off. Determine, and as I said before, when the question is to determine, you have to justify, clarify, explain your answer. Is the bamboo plant a tree, a shrub, or a herb? We saw in the previous questions that the bamboo stem is hollow. It is considered as a grass. It is not perennial. Yes, we know, we can see that they have a large size, but since they have a hollow stem, they are not perennial, they have green stems. This means that the bamboo plant is regarded or considered as a herb. Excellent, guys, because this plant has hollow green stems and it's not perennial. And we'll finish with question number 5. In question number 5, I will read the text, then we're going to answer the questions related to the text. People cultivated plants about 10,000 years ago, long time ago. Farmers planted the seeds of plants. They made sure the plants had water to grow, enough water to grow, and planted them in sunny areas. The first cultivated plants were wheat, lentils, and types of peas. Plants have not only been cultivated for food. Cotton plants are used in food. Some flowers, such as tulips, were cultivated for decorative reasons. Refer to the text too. What plants need to grow? What did they say? Water. Excellent. What else? And sun. Did they say anything else? Since we have to get the answers from the text, writing water and sun is enough. So the farmer gives enough water to the plants and put them in sunny area. So plants need water and sunlight. Give the name of the person that takes care of cultivated plants. Is it me, Miss Fatten? No, it's the farmer or the gardener, but in the text they said farmer. The farmer cares for the cultivated plants by giving them what they need, by providing them with their needs. How this person takes care of these plants? How do farmers care for the cultivated plants? They plant the seeds, right? They give them enough water and put them in sunny areas. So I'm gonna copy this sentence and write it over here. What do farmers do to care for the cultivated plants? They plant the seeds, they give them enough water, and they put them in sunny areas. What are two examples of cultivated plants? Get them from the text. Did you say wheat? Excellent. Lentils? Perfect. Peas? Cotton? Some flowers such as tulips? That's right. So let's choose two. Any two will be good. All right. Wheat and tulips. Determine one more time. You have to give me your answer and explain it. What is one benefit of plants in people's life? Didn't I say that cultivated plants are very useful to man and that man uses them for food, for decoration, for clothes, he takes their seeds and for many other uses. So from the text, let's see, what is one benefit of plants? You can say food, right? And we can say cotton. We can say for clothes. I will choose the cotton example. Plants are used to make clothes, cloth, because or since the cotton plant provides us with cotton to make these clothes. You can choose another example, like the wheat examples, peas, lentils, all of these are used in kitchen for food. Or you can also talk about tulips for decoration. And we're done. Bye bye.